Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to give permission to record on Zoom. So let's get started. First of all, open your Zoom app and start or join the meeting as the host. Once you are inside the meeting, when a participant clicks on the record button, a pop-up will appear with the options send request or cancel. When the participant clicks send request, the host will receive a notification asking whether to approve or deny the request. To give permission, simply click Allow Recording. This will grant the participant permission to record the meeting on Zoom. Once you do this, the selected participant can start recording from the end using the record button in the Zoom toolbar. Remember, only the host has the ability to give this permission, so make sure you are logged in with host privileges. And that's it. Now you know how to give permission to record on Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.